What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you are new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today we are going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 4 error, how to fix the PS4 error 41901-5 external storage error. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Just go to settings. Here we are at the settings and go to the storage. Here is the storage. You just select the storage. Here is the external storage not showing, and you go to the devices and USB storage device. You must have a USB storage device up to 3.0, and you must format the storage device or external device after connecting with your PS4 or PS5. You must format it and install the applications. Sony will automatically install it after the formation. So after that it will be work, and you can transfer your data to your external hard and move your data from to another PlayStation 4 or 5. So that's how simply you can do it. And if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. If you want to ask me a question then leave a comment in the comment box.